everyone, welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be solving 5 questions of polynomial. So let's start. So if p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 3. This is a polynomial given. So and then what we are supposed to do? Find the value of p of 1. So let me write down. Okay, p of x polynomial. X cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 3. Here p of x is given. In some cases, if p of x is not given, then you write down p of x, p of x or f of x, whatever you want to write. Okay, you want to represent a polynomial. Okay, so then write down p of x or g of x or f of x, whatever you want. If it is not given, if it is given, okay, just note down the same thing. Now here in place of x, what we are supposed to do? In place of x, we are supposed to substitute the value 1. Remember this one. So wherever there is x, now in place of x, what we need to substitute? We need to substitute one value. If it is given one value, substitute 1. If it is given 2 value, substitute 2. Okay. Sometimes they may ask you find the value at x equal to 1. They may ask, instead of giving p of 1, they may ask you find the value at x equal to 1 or at x equal to 2. Is this clear? So wherever there is x, substitute the value here. Cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 3. So 1 cube value is 1 minus 1 square value is 1. 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 1 2 minus 3. So either you can add all pluses one side or all minus one side, or normally you can do this also. So here 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 plus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. So the answer is minus 3. Is this clear? So what is the p of 1 value? It is minus 3. So other way to solve this one is, here 1 is there, here 2 is there. So that if you add it, you will get plus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3, minus 6. So 3 minus 6 are minus 3. Okay. So whichever the easier way you find, you can solve this. Next, find the zeros of polynomial. Okay. What is the question here? Zeros of the polynomial. What is mean by zeros of polynomial? For particular value, if the polynomial becomes 0, for any particular value, if I substitute in that polynomial, and if that polynomial becomes 0, then that value, okay, then that value we call it as 0 of polynomial. Is this clear? So let me write down the question. P of x equal to x minus 4. So to get the zeros of polynomial, what we'll do? We'll equate it to 0. What we'll do? We'll equate this polynomial to 0. So x square minus 4 equal to 0. X square equal to 4. X equal to, see here, square is there, right? If I take to the side, what happens? Plus or minus under root 4. X equal to plus or minus 4. I can write as what? 2 square. Square and root gets cancelled, and I'll get the value plus or minus 2. So this is one way to solve this. The other way is, if you remember, a square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So if you look at this question, x square, 4 can I write it as 2 square? Equal to 0. So it is of the form what? A square minus b square. So x plus 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. If the product is 0, that means either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2, x equal to plus 2. Is this clear? Same. Okay. Next. If p of x equal to x power 4 plus 1, then find the p of 2 minus p of minus 2. So let me write down the question here. P of x equal to x power 4 plus 1. As I told you, to find out p of 2 or p of 3, what we'll do, in place of x we'll substitute that value. So here, what in place of x, what will substitute here? 2 will substitute. 2 power 4 plus 1. So 2 power 4 is nothing but what? So remember here, 2 power 4 is nothing but what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 plus 1, 17. P of 2 is what? 17. Now, P of minus 2 will find out. P of minus 2. Same thing, in place of x, what will substitute? P of minus 4. See, if the power is even, we'll get positive. If the power is odd, we'll get negative. So here power is what? Positive. Okay, even. So what we'll get? Same thing we'll get. 16 will get. Plus 1. So 70. P of minus 2 is also 70. Now what we are supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out what? P of minus 2 minus P of 2 minus P of minus 2. P of minus 2. So P of 2 is what? 17 minus P of minus 2 is what? 17. So the answer is 0. So P of 2 minus P of minus 2 is what? 0. I hope you understood, and still if you have any problem, okay, comment in the comment section. Whether 1 by 2 and 1 are zeros of polynomial or not justified. Just now I told you what is zeros of polynomial. If I substitute that particular value and if the polynomial value, overall value becomes 0, then we call that value as 0. For example, let me write down the question. P of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now, they are asking us to check whether 1 by 2 is a zeros of polynomial or not. And if I substitute this 1 by 2 in place of x, and if I get this overall value as 0, then I'll say 1 by 2 is zeros of polynomial. And if I don't get equal to 0, then it is not zeros of polynomial. Similarly, 1 also. If I substitute 1 in place of x, and if I get the polynomial value as 0, then I'll say it is zeros of polynomial, otherwise not. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, it becomes 1 by 4 minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So this becomes what? 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is nothing but what? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Denominators are same. So 1 minus 3 plus 1. So this becomes 1 minus 2 is nothing but what? Minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 plus 1. Minus 2 by 2 is nothing but what? Minus 1 plus 1. So equal to 0. If I substitute 1 by 2, this polynomial value is becoming 0, right? Then we say 1 by 2 is zeros of polynomial. Now check for the other value. That is P of 1. So 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1, 1 into 2, 2, minus 3 plus 1. Okay, 2 minus 3 will get minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So P of 1 value, you are getting what? 0. Then we can say 1 by 2 and 1 are zeros of polynomial. And if it is not equal to 0, then we say it is not zeros of polynomial. Is it clear? Next. Okay, this is also very easy question, as we have done already 2-3 questions of this one. Next, let me write down the question here. P of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 4. 4. Here simply they are asking find out the value of P of 0. So what I'll do here, in place of x, I'll substitute 0 value. Okay. Plus 3 into 0 plus 4. So 0, 0. So overall what you'll get here? 4. So P of 0 value, what did you get? 4. Now one more value we are supposed to find out, that is P of 1. So in place of x, I'll substitute x 1 value. Three into 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 3 plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So P of 1 value is what? 8. I hope you understood, and still if you face any problem in understanding, let me know in the comment section so that I'll clarify your doubt. Thank you. All the best.